my name is Brodie Rampley. I am in 8th grade. I go to Southeastern Junior Senior High School, and this is my second year in Science Club.
Hello, my name is Aundre. I'm in 7th grade. I go to Southeastern Junior Senior High School, and this is my first year in Science Club. The title of our project is Time to React, the effect of cell phones on reaction time.
Before we begin, we would like to thank our sponsors, Ms. Skyrim and Ms. Wewell, for helping us complete our Science Club project. We would also like to thank our parents for getting us to and from work days, and also our school for allowing us to have Science Club. The purpose of our project is to see what distractions are the worst on participants with the distractions of talking, texting, and scrolling.
Based on research and statistics, it is hypothesized that participants will have a slower reaction time in all testing situations with a cell phone, talking, texting, and scrolling than without a cell phone present. Of the distractions compared, it is predicted that the participants will have a slowest reaction time scrolling through a cell phone and the fastest reaction time talking on a cell phone.
First, we gathered our materials and wore goggles for protection. Then we set up the testing area with a stepladder, a meter stick, and a chair in a quiet environment. Then we randomly selected 20 junior high students for our experiment. Then we wrote the following variables on popsicle sticks: talking, texting, scrolling, and control. Then we placed them in a cup. Then, to determine the testing order, we drew the popsicle sticks from the cup, and that was the order. Then we tested the independent variable talking. The participant had a predetermined conversation with another person in a different room. With texting, the participant had to text, "Hello, my name is, I'm blank." I said blank. I'm years old, and my favorite subject is. For scrolling, the participant had to search a camera roll for the word breathtaking. For each variable with a cell phone, the participant had to hold the cell phone in their right hand and catch the meter stick in their left. Then we instructed them to bend their left arm to a 90-degree angle to get ready for catching. Then, randomly during the test, one scientist on the stepladder will drop the meter stick. If they caught it, we would instruct them to hold it out for measurement. If they didn't, we would record it as a miss. For each participant, they had to complete all 4 scenarios. Then, using the procedures that I just said, we conducted another trial. Then we calculated the average percent of catches and the average reaction time for each scenario with Microsoft Excel, and then we calculated the standard deviation.
The independent variable is something that changed our cell phone distraction, which was talking, texting, scrolling, and control, which is no cell phone. Dependent variable is our measurement, which is reaction time, and we measured, and the measurement was meter stick length and centimeters, and we calculated the percent caught. Controlled variable was something that stayed the same, which is our testing environment, testing technique, same cell phones, and junior high participants.
This graph represents the average percent caught. Talking had the highest average percent caught, and texting had the lowest. This graph represents the average reaction time in centimeters. Talking did the best, and texting was the worst. As you can see, the lower the number, the better, because 0 would be here, and then 100 would be up here, and the faster they were, they'd catch it with the lowest number. And since the error bars overlap, there is no scientific difference.
Based on research and statistics, it is hypothesized that the participants will have a slower reaction time in all testing situations with a cell phone, talking, texting, and scrolling. Our hypothesis was rejected because texting was the lowest and talking was the highest.
Effort was made to do the project in a scientific manner. However, variation in the results occurred. The scientists had no control over the effort of the participants or prior experiences. They also had no control over the social or emotional distractions of the participants, and effort was made to eliminate any distractions except for the cell phone. Thank you. Do you have any questions?